We're solving problem 2 from the 2018 F equals MA exam A. A 3 kilogram mass moving at 30 meters per second to the right collides elastically with a 2 kilogram mass traveling at 20 meters per second to the left. After the collision, the center of mass of the system is moving at a speed of blank, and we want to find the center of mass of the system, the speed. So we have these two balls with the masses and velocities, just say m1 and m2. We want everything in variable format before we can plug everything in. So we know that the velocity for the center of mass is equal to p total over total mass. So this, we can rewrite it as velocity center of mass to be m1 v1 plus m2 v2 over m1 plus m2. Then we can just substitute in all the numbers. So mass 1 we can say we say is the 3 kilogram mass moving to the right. So it's 3 kilograms times its velocity, which is 30 meters per second. And then you have to add the mass of the second ball, which is 2 kilograms, times its speed, which is 20 meters per second to the left. So it would be negative because we set the 30 to be positive, and we usually assume that left is the negative direction. So this would be negative 20. And then we have to divide all this by the sum of the masses, which is 3 plus 2, or 5. So this becomes 90 minus 40 over 5, which is 50 over 5, which is 10. So this is simply our answer for this problem.